Hi, I'm Daniel from EIM Technology, and today we're going to be showing you how to get started with your MEGO Mini Power Supply. So the MEGO is a mini battery-powered portable DC power supply, which is an essential component for anyone looking to learn electronics or anyone who wants to be a hobbyist building their own small circuits at home. The MEGO can plug directly into any breadboard with these pins here, or you can connect a USB to Alligator Clips to power any other kind of circuit. So in the box, you'll find the MEGO device itself, and in addition to that, you will find this cable, which you will plug into the back of the MEGO when you need to recharge it. In addition to that, you can use it with a breadboard. You'll also need these cables, which are Alligator Clips, if you want to output to a circuit that is not a breadboard. Additionally, you also have this Coaxial DC jack, which is helpful for connecting to an Arduino or any other kind of device that has this kind of power cables. Additionally, you'll also find these screwdrivers, which will come in handy in a moment. I'm going to show you how to change the voltage on the MEGO. So to use the MEGO with a breadboard, all you have to do is line up these pins here with the pins on your breadboard. Just make sure that the red plus and the blue minus line up with how they appear on your power rails. And you're going to plop it in. And all you have to do now is press the on button, and you'll see the voltage. You have it set to currently displayed, and you're ready to go. Start hooking things up to your circuit. If you're going to use your MEGO with any kind of circuit that is not a breadboard, then you can simply plug USB into the front with your Alligator Clips, and when you turn it on, you can connect the leads to whatever you connect them to. Additionally, if you have any kind of device like an Arduino or any other that use this Coaxial DC jack, you can plug this in the same way and turn it on, and you'll get power from the MEGO. So your MEGO can change its voltage anywhere between 4 volts to 24 volts. And to change the voltage, all you need to do is take one of these screws, and there's a small hole on the side of the MEGO where there's a screw. And when you turn the screw, you turn it this way toward the back of the MEGO, you'll increase the voltage. And when you turn it backward, you'll decrease the voltage, and you can see it changing in real time on the screen. When the MEGO battery gets low, you'll see this light here turn to an amber color. You need to charge it. And when you do that, you'll just plug this end of the USB into power source, and you'll plug this end right into the back of the MEGO here. And you'll see this blue light turn on when it's charging, similar to when it's turned on. That blue light is also on.